welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my latest Dollar Tree finds. I hope you enjoy the pieces that I share with you. Some of them may be new to you. They were new to me because our Dollar Tree stores here in Michigan are so late in getting things in. I was really happy to find the pieces that I did, some of which will be used in my outdoor space. And speaking of my outdoor space, I will finally get a chance to share with you at least the full view of the front porch. I made a few little changes here and there from last year, but nothing drastically different. So there are some changes to it. I added a little bit more color. I hope I didn't overdo it out there, but I think it looks cute. And I'll be sharing that full space with you. And towards the end of the week, I will be sharing with you my back outdoor space. I don't think I shared that one last year, but I will have a chance to do so this year. So I think you'll really enjoy them both. We enjoy the spaces, and I hope you enjoy the ideas that I present to you in the videos. If you're brand new to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button down below. Don't forget, do it right now. I'll give you a second. If you like today's video, give me a thumbs up if you like any of the items that you see. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So stay tuned for those other items, and also be sure again to click that notification bell if you have not done it in the past or if you're brand new, so that you'll be notified when I post my outdoor space videos. Those are definitely coming up. Again, some of these items that I'm going to show you are just new to me. They may not be new to you. I'm still looking for those darn lemon plates. I love those plates. I've seen them on so many channels and I just can't find them anywhere. Now there's another one that I've seen, but I don't, again, our stores get things so late, it's kind of frustrating when you see something that you just love that you can incorporate into your space that is just nowhere to be found. But anywho, stay tuned, and again, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a wonderful day. My first item is this bunch of faux florals. I picked up 4 stems. There are 2 in white and 2 in a lighter yellow. If you look closely, they kind of resemble forsythia. Forsythia is a shrub. It's about, sometimes they get up to 6 or 7 feet tall, and they have bright yellow flowers on them, and most people are allergic to them because they're so high in pollen. So these kind of resemble that, and these were just $1 each, just like all of the florals at Dollar Tree, and I got 4 of them. I'm still working on a few projects outside, so I grabbed some extra twine. I just grabbed 1 roll of it. It's getting really difficult to find this jute twine at Dollar Tree. This stuff in the same amount sells for $4 at Michael's. My Dollar Tree actually only had 1 roll on the shelf. So when I find it again, I'm going to grab a few of them. I found this adorable multi-purpose bandana. It's kind of a headband. As you can see here, you can wear it as a bandana, a headband, a scarf, a little cap. So I can't wait to wear that. And it has different colors, all types of shades. I wear a lot of black and gray if you're familiar with my videos. I try to get away from it, but I love it. I love wearing black and I love wearing gray. But this luckily has black, beige, white, pink. So I'm going to try and get a little bit more use out of it, and this will be really handy during my workouts too. I picked up a few of these paper lanterns. I picked up a teal one, kind of a reddish orange, and then I found this print one. I opened it up because I really wanted to see the pattern on it, and I think it's going to look really nice in one of my outdoor spaces. This is an item that I've never seen at my local Dollar Tree. This is just a basic scoop. It's a scoop with soft grip handle, and that it does have, it kind of reminds me of the OXO items. That handle is it's a real soft grip on it, but this will be perfect in my freezer because we do have an ice maker in the freezer, but it's in the bottom drawer, so you really need something to scoop it out. And most of the scoops that I have like this are metal. And when they get cold, the ice sticks to them, so it's really difficult to use. I thought this one would come in handy for that purpose. This little fan was an unexpected find. It takes 2 AA batteries. I saw it in pink, green, and blue. And I thought it was adorable. It's pink, one of my absolute favorite colors. I'm going to put it right next to my PC in my office. and I always need fans. I have all kinds of little fans around the house, even one that connects to my cell phone, because you know, when you get 50 and up, you just need a fan. So I thought this one was adorable. This will even be cute for travel, so I may go back and get one more. These are brand new at my Dollar Tree, and I thought the colors were gorgeous. I can use both of these in my outdoor space because I do alternate teals and reds out there, just for storing things like napkins when it's kind of a breezy day. And I'm going to actually be using these two in my linen closet. I love the fact that they have lids on them, and they're kind of vented with those holes cut in the side. I wish they had some that were a little bit bigger, but I guess for $1, what can you expect? But I thought these were adorable. I love all the colors. This neutral one just threw me. I thought it was gorgeous. It's not really gray. It's not really tan. It's kind of a taupe, so between gray and tan. So I got two of those, and my store only had one of each of these colors. So I'm going to be on the hunt for a couple more, but these were such a great find, and I was lucky to find what I did. My last Dollar Tree item is kind of a gingham style check pot holder set. There's two pieces, and they're just kind of plain, not much to them, but they look very festive for summer. At least I think so. I love the red and white check for cookouts and things like that. One set of these ketchup and mustard squeeze bottles. I do have clear ones that I use for other things, but I do like to keep these on hand. They were $1 for the set. I also picked up some festive napkins. These are just basic red, white, and blue, but I love how they kind of look like the flag is waving. And these were $1 for 16. I found this adorable dish towel for $1. It has some really cute sayings on it, and I thought it would be really festive for the summer. It says, "Let love grow, cherish every moment, believe in yourself, live simply, create memories, enjoy, life is beautiful." And it has just the most beautiful color palette. I thought it was so cute for $1.